Hello and welcome to the channel, Easy Digital Art. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make a pencil out of a rectangle. I'm going to use PowerPoint. I'm going to go into Insert, Shapes, and I'm just going to take this rectangle with the rounded corners. You can use the one that's got square corners as well. Now, I'm going to change its color. Make it yellow. Next step, Shape Effects, Shadow. I'm going to give it an interior shadow. I'm going to choose the top right. I'm also going to tilt this. Next step, right click, edit points, and I'm just going to add in a point. I'm going to right click again, add point, like so. And I'm going to go right click, edit points. I'm just going to delete these 2 points because I don't need them, like so. And just one more thing, edit points. And I'm going to make sure that all 3 of these are corner points. Corner point, corner point, corner point. Perfect. Now, shape format, click on it. You either go into this format shapes arrow, click on that, or you can go right click with your mouse and then go to format shape. Same thing. Go into fill. We're going to change this to gradient and the color will probably change, but that's not a big deal. It just does that for some reason. I don't know why you'd prefer it to take your color and put the gradient shades for that color, but it doesn't. In this version anyways, I think this is 2021, but that doesn't matter. We're going to change this very quickly. So click on this color stop. Okay, I'm just going to move that over here, like so. Actually, this one here, we might as well add a couple more because that's going to be the eraser. So for this one, I'm just going to change this to, this one would be good, that color. Then this one is going to be the gray. It's going to be the metal of the actual pencil. And choose this one. You can do that again. There's 2 of them. Move this over to the end. And I think we're going to add an extra one here for that eraser. There's 2 of them. Now I'm just going to move this gray so that it's right next to it, so it makes it nice and flush with the eraser. Same with this one. I'm going to move this one over. Now we're going to move the actual yellow over just enough so it does the same thing. Makes it nice and flush. Then I'm going to go here, add another yellow, like so. Bring it down all the way here. We'll probably have to add an extra one as well. Color stop. But let's just move this one here. This is going to be the sharpened wood. And then another one here for the sharpened wood, like that. And then one more here for the pencil lead, which will be, is that dark enough? Probably, I don't know. Move it to the end. And let's move it out more, a little more, like that. And it doesn't have to be sharp because that's not, when you sharpen a pencil, the wood and the lead kind of mesh together. So there's that. Now I'm just going to narrow this, maybe make it longer. There you go. That's it. Thanks for watching.